Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix auto delay in VLC Media Player on Android. First of all, go to the App Store or Play Store and search for VLC Media Player. Open the app, make sure that the app is updated. If it is, and if it's lagging and showing auto delay, what you can do is go back, find the VLC Media Player, hold on it and go in the I button. Otherwise, what you can do is open up the settings, go in the apps and go in the manage app. Search for VLC Media Player and click on it, and the same interface will appear in front of you. Go in the storage at the bottom, click on clear data and click on clear the cache. Once the cache is cleared, go to the home screen, and after the updates are checked and the cache memory is deleted, now what you can do is open the app and check if it is alright or not. Refresh the app again and again. If that still doesn't work, what you can do is reinstall the VLC Media Player, and that should definitely work. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.